I'm Tiffany with Tiff Farms, and welcome to my channel. So some of the things that I've been doing that I enjoy doing is teaching other people how to garden, whether it's children. I get excited when they are planting their first seed, and also for seasoned gardeners. I love talking to seasoned gardeners also. I learn a lot too because I don't know it all. And the thing about gardening is there are the scientific things and all the textbook kind of stuff that some people may learn, but every season it's different. There is nothing to me the same, and that's what I enjoy. I get out there, it's a challenge with pest, weather, just balancing your time, whether you're working or whatever. I work full time, and my thing is this is my passion. This is what I love to do, and it's my happy place. It's so rewarding to me in more than one way. So I like to share that part of my world with you on this channel. I also enjoy interviewing other gardeners. To me, that garden talk, whether it's, old-fashioned stuff, remedies, herbs, flowers to vegetables, and just different techniques. I love talking about gardening. So one of the things that you'll see in my past recordings is I love to interview other people, and I gleaned so much information from other people, from their style of gardening. There's multiple and diverse ways of gardening. So if you guys are interested in having me come interview you, I'd love to do that, and you could just DM me. Also, I am in Georgia, Zone 7A. Now they changed it, and but have car, plane, whatever, we'll travel. But I am just interested in not so much the commercial part, but the backyard average grower and the challenges that you face, the excitement that you encounter. And one of the best things that I love about gardening is the gift of sharing. I love to share with my neighbors. I love to share with my coworkers. I love to share the harvest and also invite people over. I want to have this garden to table party one day where it's just rows of tables, and everybody's bringing a dish that they created from their garden, or if they didn't have a garden and just want to come, it's just sharing the love and the presence and unity of being together. And there's nothing better than being outdoors and hearing the wildlife and just being one with nature. I just love it. So I would welcome you to come and participate with me, because like I said, I enjoy your comments. I do my best to respond to every comment, and just to see and learn and grow from each other. So I appreciate your time, and thank you so much for participating and joining with me, because I see it as a group effort. We encourage each other, and you guys take care and stay abundantly rooted and grounded.